Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fayaz Ahmad, teacher, High School, Punjabutra. As you know, we are discussing narration, and we have already discussed the basic difference between direct and indirect speech. We have discussed rule first, rule second, and rule third of the narration. Now today, let's discuss the change of words denoting the position, time, and place. So how these words change, the words which denote the position, time, or place, how these words change, let us discuss it now. I have written it over here. I have written the list of words that are usually used in the narration, and I have also written it and how these words change when the direct speech is converted into indirect speech. For example, now, if now is used in the direct speech, while converting the direct speech into indirect speech, this now changes into then. In the same way, this changes into that, today changes into that day, these changes into those, here changes into there, this changes into thus changes into so, ago changes into before, hence changes into thence, just changes into then. In the same way, come changes into go, tomorrow changes into next day, yesterday changes into the previous day or day before, last night changes into the night before, next week changes into the following week, tonight it changes into that night. Now let's take the examples to show this conversion of these words denoting position, time, and place. Suppose we have taken an example over here. He said, "I am too weak to move now." So here you can see this is the direct speech. And direct speech, we have used the word now. Now how this word changes now, let's see it. He said that the other rules of the narration follow. He was too weak to move, and this now changes into then. I repeat, when these words are used in the direct speech, while converting the direct speech into indirect speech, these words also change. As already said, now changes into then. Here is an example. He said, "I am too weak to move now." Now while converting this direct speech into indirect speech, this now, it will change into then. As already said, now changes into then. But the other rules of the narration will also follow. He said, "I am too weak to move now." He said that this I will change into he. I have already told you that there are rules for the change of pronouns also, which we shall discuss later. So I changed into he. Since it is in present simple, I am too weak, it will change into past simple. He was too weak to move, and this now will change into then. In the same way, let's take another example. Sajjad said, "I intend to leave for Jammu tonight." Now here we have used the word tonight. As already said, this tonight, when we convert the direct speech into indirect speech, this tonight changes into that night. Sajjad said that I will change into he. This is in present simple, it will change into past simple, as already said in the rule second. Sajjad said that he intended to leave for Jammu. This tonight will change into that night. So this is how the words denoting the position, time, and place change. But there is an exception. If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, no change is usually made in the adverbs of time or place. You can see here in these two examples, the reporting verb was in past tense, he said, and here Sajjad said the reporting verb was in past tense, and while converting the direct speech and indirect speech, these words then changed into now changed into then, and tonight changed into that night. But there is an exception. If this reporting verb is in present tense, then usually no change is made in the adverbs of time or place. These time, the words denoting time or place, they do not change. only if the reporting verb is in present tense. Let's take example. He says the man shall come now. The man shall come now. While converting this direct speech into indirect speech, this now it will not change because the reporting verb is in present tense. He says that the man shall come now. It will remain as it is. So I repeat, these words that denote the position, time or place, they get converted into other forms while converting the direct speech into indirect speech. And I have written it over here. You can see it, but but they change only when the reporting verb is in past tense. He said, I am too weak to move now. This now will change into then. He said that he was too weak to now move then. But if the reporting verb is in present tense, then the adverbs denoting time and place, they usually do not change. Like this, he says the man shall come now. This now will not change because the reporting verb is in present tense. So this is how this was all about the change of words denoting position, time and place. In the next video lecture, we will inshallah discuss the change of pronouns and then